it? Who are you holding? What's her name?
Kitty cat.
Kitty Cat. And how does Kitty Cat go?
Meow, meow, meow.
Is that your baby?
Mhm.
Mm-hmm. Can you give her a kiss? And a hug? Aw. Is she tired?
No, I'm tired.
No tired?
Oh, Jamie. I can Jamie. It's Mac. Ow.
Mm-hmm. What are you wearing on your feet? What's on your feet? What are those?
Shoes.
Your new shoes? Who gave you those shoes?
Guys, Gemma.
No. Aunt Maggie?
Maggie.
Yeah.
Maggie.
Can you run fast? Jamie, can you run fast in those shoes? Show me how fast you are. Okay, come back. Come back. Wow, you're fast. Okay, say bye-bye to everybody.
Bye.
Say love you.
Bye.
Blow kisses. Blow kiss.